So I've turned around and come back. It's not quite as steep here. Oh, dog rose there, wild rose. A quick breather. Yeah, the path was taking me right down, I guess, to join an industrial estate down there at the bottom, which I've no desire to go down there. You can see that clearing, that pile in the distance. That's where I was the other day, and that's going over into the old landfill. And just down the middle there you can see the line of London plane trees. They'll see it on this video, but they've replaced trees with London plane, which are fantastic for soaking up the carbon, and they line the centre of the main road down there that runs at the side of the River Don. And somewhere down here the Don meets the Sheaf and they converge. So you'll see in my videos higher up in the hills up there where the Little Don starts and runs down, and the Don River. So there's two rivers, the Little Don and the Don, start on the moorlands up there and they converge higher up and then come down to form the Don River, which I'm told used to be a salmon river. It's been cleaned up, really dirty from the industry, and it has been cleaned now. It's a lot cleaner. The Environment Agency have managed it. So hopefully one day we will see salmon returning, but you just never know. Lots of industry in the bottom there. That's a big waste management plant there. Huge big.